Quantum nutrition, a comprehensive approach to nutrition that contemplates the quantum energy fields of foods and their effects on the bodies. The contents of this presentation include an introduction of quantum nutrition. Next, we will try to understand what is quantum nutrition with the key principles and the science behind this, how it works, finally, the benefits, ethical and practical considerations, and conclusions. So, quantum nutrition, let us define it. Quantum nutrition is a holistic approach to health that integrates the principles of quantum biology, circadian rhythms, and nutrition to optimize how the body functions on a cellular level. Unlike traditional nutritional strategies that often focus solely on calories and macronutrients, quantum nutrition goes deeper, looking at how factors like light, energy, and timing affect digestion, metabolism, and the overall wellness. So, what is quantum nutrition? This is a revolutionary approach which combines quantum biology with nutritional science to understand nourishment at the subatomic level. It involves energy and particles, which explores how electrons, photons, and quantum fields influence our body's food processing, and it goes beyond traditional processes. That is, it moves past calories and macros to focus on energy, light frequency, and optimal timing. So let's look also at some of other aspects. This is an alternative health approach that goes beyond the chemical components of food to incorporate an energetic and informational perspective. It focuses on how factors like the body's natural rhythms, light exposure, and vibrational frequencies of food influence overall health. It also emphasizes eating in coordination with these natural forces rather than solely depending on calorie counting. And it aims to improve energy, mood, and metabolic health by understanding the connection between quantum phenomena and biological systems. So, a few points tracing the origin of this phenomenal quantum nutrition. The concept of quantum nutrition emerged from the convergence of quantum physics, holistic health, and integrative medicine. In the early 20th century, quantum physicists discovered that matter at its core consists of vibrating energy fields. This understanding laid the foundation for exploring the energetic properties of foods. In the 1970s and 1980s, pioneering researchers and health practitioners began to apply the quantum principles to nutrition, recognizing that the vibrational frequencies of foods could impact human health. Interesting, isn't it? And over time, quantum nutrition has evolved into a comprehensive approach that combines traditional nutritional wisdom with cutting edge scientific insights, offering a new paradigm for optimal health and healing. Let's look at the key principles of this quantum nutrition. All food contains inherent energy and information beyond its chemical makeup. Energy fields. Quantum nutrition views the body as an energetic system, and imbalances in these energy fields are seen as root causes of health issues. Holistic approach. It goes beyond food to consider the whole person, that is, the mind, body, and the spirit, and their connection to nature's rhythms and environmental influences. Cellular function. The goal is to support optimal functions at the cellular level by using targeted nutrition to address energetic imbalances. Quantum phenomena. This approach seeks to reconcile concepts from quantum biology, such as the role of information transmitted via subatomic particles and electromagnetic waves with traditional nutrition. Very interestingly, this principle of non-invasive assessment is very important. Quantum nutrition testing provides insights without drawing blood, or in other words, invasive procedures by evaluating the body's natural energy responses. Looking at the core concepts, food as energy and information. The body is a quantum field. The human body itself at the cellular level is seen as a system of electromagnetic field and biophotons, that is light emission from cells that communicate to maintain coherence and health. The next core principle is multidimensional nourishment, which considers that true nourishment is not just physical nutrients but also energetic, informational, and vibrational aspects of food and environment, including light and natural rhythms. And quantum coherence. Healthy cells emit and respond to light, maintaining a state of quantum coherence, while illness can disrupt this vibrational communication, leading to disharmony. The science behind quantum nutrition. Quantum nutrition proposes that food contains not only molecules but also vibrational frequencies and informational data. Additionally, the body operates as a quantum field, communicating through biophotons and electromagnetic signals. The goal is to harmonize these subtle energy systems with natural biological rhythms and provide personalized nourishment for optimal health, though this approach is often considered outside the mainstream scientific understanding. Other scientific perceptions of this phenomenon also include quantum nutrition applying the principles of quantum physics, like electromagnetic fields and biophotons, to understand the body's energy, informational, and photonic properties, interaction with food and light, in order to match the body's energy systems for optimal health and vitality. It proposes that food carries not just nutrients but also some kind of energetic and informational data, and that the body functions as a quantum field of commuting cells and tissues. While it is a holistic and personalized approach, it also integrates concepts from quantum biology and traditional healing practices, focusing on aligning nourishment with natural biological rhythms for better nutrition absorption and overall well being. Some of the technical insights. Quantum biology studies. This examines how particles like electrons and photons influence biological processes at the cellular level. Key quantum phenomena: electronic tunneling, quantum coherence, and entanglement enhance the cellular energy efficiency. Some of the natural examples of these kind of complicated technical insights include photosynthesis and enzymatic reactions, which demonstrate the quantum effects in biological systems. We also have the power of the mitochondria that is present in the cell. These we know are the cellular powerhouses, and they harness the quantum mechanics for optimal energy production and metabolism. Looking at the bioenergetics and quantum nutrition, we see three important points here. One, energy transduction from sunlight. Now, energy transduction in photosynthesis involves converting the sunlight into chemical energy, driving cellular bioenergetics through ATP production and electron transfer. Quantum efficiency. What is the efficiency during photosynthesis? Quantum phenomena such as electronic tunneling enhance photosynthetic efficiency by optimizing energy transfer at subatomic levels within chloroplast. And finally, we see hormesis in inflammation and aging. Actually, the term hormesis describes beneficial adaptive responses to low-level stressors influencing inflammation regulation and aging process. Now, we will also look at facts including the nourishment beyond food, that is, beyond light and energy. One, we take sunlight as nutrition. Natural sunlight acts as a vital nutrient, influencing cellular energy production and hormonal regulation. Two is a light timing. This is an important effect to be considered. Morning blue light enhances the alertness and metabolism, while avoiding artificial blue light at night supports restorative sleep. Electromagnetic nourishment. Our bodies receive nourishment from electromagnetic energy and environmental information extending beyond the food molecule. So, how does this actually work? We have different points of cellular communication, including certain concepts of quantum biology, which is the basic framework that studies how quantum phenomena like wave particle duality apply to the biological processes within the human body. Then we have the concept of personalized nutrition, where the practitioners assess energy fields and use specialized tools to identify imbalances, creating plans that align with a person's unique vibrational resonance and energy cycles. Now, once this is done, we have to align this with the natural rhythms by syncing the food consumption with natural circadian rhythms and metabolic processes. So, quantum nutrition now aims to enhance the nutrient absorption and metabolic efficiency. Beyond all these molecular foci, we also see that quantum nutrition aims to provide ample approach that extends beyond the traditional view of nutrition, bringing a broader understanding of the body's subtle energetic systems. Now, what are the different kinds of benefits? Let's call them potential benefits of quantum nutrition. One is a personalized health insight, thereby providing a deeper, individualized understanding of a person's unique health needs and imbalances beyond conventional metrics. Improved energy and well being. This supports overall vitality, stable blood sugar, balanced hormones, and increased resilience by harmonizing the body's energy systems. We have the non-invasive assessment, as we have already mentioned earlier. Quantum nutrition testing can be a non-invasive way to identify nutritional needs and imbalances without any kind of drawing of the blood. So, looking at the technological advances in quantum nutrition, we have two important aspects. One is the AI driven personalized nutritional tools. AI platforms analyze genetic, metabolic, and subtle energy data to create highly personalized nutrition plans aligned with individual quantum biological profiles, enhancing health outcomes. We could also have a wearable technology measuring the bioenergetic parameters. Today, we have a number of wearable devices monitoring real time fluctuations in subtle energy fields and physiological parameters, enabling dynamic tracking and adjustment of nutrition based on cellular energy balance. Now, in spite of all these positive effects, this kind of phenomenal quantum nutrition effect also has certain kind of practical challenges, practical considerations, and ethical issues. So, first one is the scientific validation and skepticism. Quantum nutrition challenges traditional prototypes, requiring rigorous scientific validation to address skepticism and ensure evidence based health claims. We could also have certain regulatory and safety issues where quantum based nutritional products face regulatory uncertainty, raising concerns about quality control, labeling accuracy, and consumer protection. We have ethical implications of bioenergetic manipulation. Manipulating bioenergetic fields raises ethical questions about informed consent, cultural sensitivity, and preventing exploitation in quantum therapies, and responsible evolution of quantum nutrition. Continued research, regulatory clarity, and ethical applications are essential for the safe and effective advancement of quantum nutrition. As a conclusion, we can sum up the different aspects of quantum nutrition as a pioneering nutritional model that goes beyond the chemical and biochemical properties of foods, focusing on their quantum energy fields. It emphasizes the importance of consuming high vibration, life force rich foods to optimize cellular function, balance the body's energy systems, and promote overall vitality. This approach asserts that the subtle energetic vibrations of foods interact with our own quantum energy fields, influencing our health and well being on a fundamental level. It goes beyond just food to consider how light exposure, meal timings, and seasonal eating impact the body's metabolism, hormones, and the